Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Suzuki DR650 Dual Sport. Only 5,300 miles on this beautiful gray Dual Sport, 650 cc's, oil cooled, brand new tires. Bike's in beautiful condition. Come on by, make your dual sport dreams come true with a Suzuki DR650. Price to sell at just $64.99. She is not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.